So I'm sure that many of you have heard about the recent rise of Ghibli Studio AI images that have been flooding the internet, and Hayao Miyazaki, the co-founder of Ghibli Studio, really doesn't like them. And you might wonder, how do you make similar images of your own? Well, that's pretty simple. All you have to do is go over to ChatGPT, upload your picture. So over here I have this AI generated image of a dog wearing a wizard hat playing the piano, and add a description such as make this image in Studio Ghibli style, and after a few minutes you will get this cute image in Studio Ghibli style. Let me show you how this works. So all you have to do is click on upload. Let's upload this picture of the Minecraft movie, and let's just add the prompt. This is it. You don't really need anything more complex than that. You can go ahead and write a more detailed prompt, but it will work for our purpose. And just go ahead and click on this right over here. So as you can see, this is our input image. We have the Minecraft movie poster, and this is the result. As you can see, it looks great. ChatGPT is doing a really good job at giving the image a Ghibli style, even though it did forget this girl over here, but it still looks good. So let's go ahead and try out a different example. Let's use this iconic image from Star Wars, and I'm gonna use the exact same prompt. And this is the problem with ChatGPT. Aside from their very strict guidelines and censorship, you can only upload a limited amount of images every single day unless you have the paid subscription. But don't worry, because I'm gonna show you a very good alternative which you can use unlimited times for free, and this one is called EasyControl. EasyControl is a new open source model which you can also run locally on your computer, but unfortunately in order to run this you're gonna need 40 gigabytes of VRAM, which is an insane amount. But fortunately we can also run it on Hugging Space. I'm gonna link this demo in the description. So all you have to do is go ahead and upload your image over here. I'm gonna select the same Star Wars image, wait for it to upload, and over here we can select the size of the image. So let's try to match the width and height with our original image. And after that, all you have to do is go ahead and click on generate image. And as you can see, it is processing right now. And this is the result. As you can see, this looks really nice. It really does have the Ghibli studio vibe. And aside from a couple of errors, it did follow the input image pretty well. Next up, I used the same image of a dog with a wizard hat playing piano, and this is the result. And as you can see, both the image generated by ChatGPT and EasyControl look pretty good. Now let's go ahead and try out this image of a realistic Mario holding a sign that says there's a new model in town. And for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and lower the height a little bit, and let's just click on generate. And here is the result. As you can see, it's not really doing that great of a job when it comes to text, because the initial image said there's a new model in town, and meanwhile this new image says there's a now by day hound. Okay, so that's a bit of an issue, but aside from that, it looks pretty good. Here's another example of these two people high-fiving each other, and meanwhile in the background there is the reflection of a window and some text on a board, and as you can see, it did a pretty good job. We have these two people high-fiving, the text on the whiteboard in the background, even though the text is not accurate, and we do have a window instead of a window reflection this time. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think about this new ChatGPT Ghibli style alternative, and see you in the next one.